What's up, guys? So we're gonna talk today about what to do when you have an Uber passenger who cancels in the middle of the ride. So if you're out driving for Uber, yeah, you know, if you've done, you know, more than a couple hundred rides, you know that you get some really shady passengers. I've had passengers who doing horrible things, scamming me, leaving me bad reviews, false reports, trying to scam me. I try not to let any of these people scam me, but I had this one lady who made me wait. She was like, she wanted to do groceries. She freaking scammed me, this lady. She basically, what she did is she scammed me because she took up all my time. I picked her up and she's like, oh, I gotta go over here, and she took forever to get picked up, by the way, and she finally came out with a bike, and she goes, oh, can I put my bike in your car? And I'm like, I guess. So I put my seats down, she takes the wheel off, it takes her, you know, 20 minutes to put her bike together, put it in my back seat. We finally go, and she goes, hey, no, can we stop at Target? She has 2 stops. She goes, oh, I'm gonna go to Target real quick, I'm gonna grab something real quick. And I'm like, okay. So we go to Target. She's in there for 45 minutes. I'm not even joking. She's in there Wait, what are you doing? And I got her freaking bike in my back, and I'm waiting in there, and she gets out, and I was a new driver, so I thought I was, you know, making some money. No, I made maybe $2 for waiting 45 minutes, maybe $3. And this lady scammed me for my time, because at the end of the thing, I drop her off to her next location. I think I made like $17, and the whole thing took me over an hour. And I'm like, I'm waiting, and I'm, you know, it took me almost 2 hours to do this whole thing, and I made about $17, and she left me no tip. Frickin', you know what to do when you're driving Uber and Lyft? What I should have done was thrown her that bicycle out of my car and left it in the parking lot and ended the ride right there. I should have canceled on her. But, you know, since I'm a nice guy, and I probably wouldn't do that if it really came down to it, because it's like, I probably just would have told her, no, we're not now I don't do stops like that. If you want to, yeah, you want to go do Target, yeah, I'm going to drop you off. And, you know, you can figure out, you can order another ride, because I'm not waiting any longer. And I shouldn't have taken her bike in my car in the first place. I just thought she was going to leave me a big tip. But she didn't. She left me a $0 tip. So, anyways, wanted to make that quick video on what to do when you get a scammer in your car. And yeah, next time I probably should kick her out, or take her stuff out of her car, and just left it at that. But I don't know. I don't want her calling the cops on me or something. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. But let me know what you would have done in that situation, because this literally left me so frustrated. All right, talk to you soon, guys, and make sure to sign up for our sponsored link, Solo. Solo is our sponsor here. They help pay drivers guaranteed pay. I should have been signed up for Solo at that time, because they actually pay you when you go out and drive and you don't make a certain dollar amount, and during that time they will pay you the difference. And right now, when you sign up with our link, our listeners get $10 for signing up. For free anywhere in the country. Just link an active gig account. As long as you've done one ride or one trip, they're gonna send you $10. So sign up for Solo, link below, guys. Thanks for watching, take care, and I gotta go, I don't know, I gotta go to the gym and lay off some steam. All right, bye now.